Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for joining us. What I'm here to talk about today isn't the Trans Am. I'm here to talk to you about releasing some energy when you're busy at work and you don't, busy day at working at the Trans Am. Just gotta release some energy. That's when you go to your partner and say, hey, honey.
Excuse me, no.
No.
Not gonna happen.
No. Oh, see? Okay, that isn't gonna happen. So what I do is I come on over here and I strap myself to a rocket. So I'm gonna tell you about my bike today. This is a 2008 Harley Davidson V-Rod. It's been custom out a little bit. It's called a Night Rod Special. Got painted. It used to be shiny black. I didn't feel like polishing my rod all day long, so when I want to go and hop on for a ride, I just get going and go. So what's been done to it? I got the Willie G mirrors on it where they sit down below. The paint has been changed to a denim. It's been staged 1. It's got Vance and Hines pipe, and she goes like a scared bunny. Okay, about 3 years ago, this bike was in a big accident. We had a really bad day. I was down in Kansas and driving truck, like I always do. It was the middle of the week, and our neighbors decided to have a party. I was talking to the wife on the phone. Said, honey, my truck is broken. And she goes, what? And hung up on me. Well, this is really unusual, and so I called her back. Didn't answer. Called her back again. She didn't answer, so I'm thinking, oh, I'm in trouble. Didn't turn out that way. Turned out the neighbors had a really good party. They drunk got in behind the wheel of their car and hit my Avalanche, which ran over my bike.
Wait, it's my Avalanche.
Oh, oops. Okay, her Avalanche, which
straight.
ran over my bike. This is mine. So, 3 vehicles in one day were demolished. I had to take it in and get it rebuilt. What was done was the steering, sway arm, everything but the motor. Repainted, redone. This bike's been LED'd out, powder coated the wheels. It's got about 140 horse, so it holds me around pretty quick. It's exceptional.
Why don't you take it for a spin or start it up, show people what it sounds like?
I will do that. So basically, I got a new helmet I can show you, and I'll put my helmet on and we'll go for a ride.
Oh, yeah, there's horses over there. Horses. They're so pretty. What is he doing?
Okay.
What are you doing?
Well, I got my new helmet on. It matches the bike. It's color coded. How does it look? Guys, if you're gonna take your bike out for a ride like this, hope you get a female judge. Up here in Canada, it's mandatory to wear a helmet and protect your brain. I can do this. So, to prevent brain damage, I'm good.
I don't think it works.